Good morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, I'm going to try and hold it with two hands because I'm still shaking a little bit. I wanted to share with you something personal that has to do with my weight loss journey, and then we're going to relate it back to how you can help your children create healthy eating habits. So over the past couple of years, I've gained about 25 pounds, and having, perspective on how I felt before versus how I feel now, I realized that I felt so much better. I had more energy. And I've been paying particular attention to my diet in order to lose weight and feel better again. And one of my girlfriends keeps saying, pay attention to how you feel after you eat and keep track of that. One of my other friends was with Jenny Craig for many years, and she said that you keep a diary of your food and you write how you feel. And I realized I was with LA Weight Loss for a little while after I had Faith, and I lost a lot of weight. I really enjoyed the program. However, they never talk to you about how you feel. And so as I've grown older, I've noticed that my emotions are significantly impacted by what I eat. I don't just get hangry. But I've noticed that when I wake up in the morning, I feel so much better. And so I've been carefully planning more fruits and vegetables into my daily diet. And about 72 hours ago, I had a really great day and I couldn't figure out what the factor was. And then I thought back to what I ate, because I haven't been religiously documenting my food. But I looked at what I had prepared, because I've been preparing my food and taking it with me to work every day. And I've noticed that the more vegetables I eat and the more fruit, the better I feel. And a friend of mine reminded me that oxidants are meat. Antioxidants such as blueberries and raspberries and foods like that help counteract the meat in your diet. So I've started to focus on using meat as for flavor instead of as a main course, and getting my protein from sources such as cheese. I still enjoy eating cheese, and thankfully it doesn't cause too many issues with my digestion. But I also use cheese as just a flavoring too. Please let me know if you have any suggestions in relation to easier ways to prepare foods. A friend of mine is vegan, and she said that you have to cook every day. And it's challenging for me because my father did a lot of the cooking and he enjoyed controlling the kitchen. So showing me how to cook was not something I was raised with. So I just wanted to share with you how very important it is to incorporate cooking with your children at a very young age, and incorporate fruits and vegetables into their diet as often as possible. I realized that in my 20s, it was so much easier for me to eat poorly and still stay thin and still have lots of energy. But now that I'm in my 40s, it's seriously catching up with me. So you want to start those good diet habits at a very young age. Please feel free to ask a Montessorian if you have any more questions about this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.